Okay, so if you're looking to add more cigarette lighter sockets to your car and USBs, then this video might be for you. Specification parameters are input DC 12 and 24 volt. So you can use it on your cars, trucks. USB output is 5 volt, 3.1 amps, 15 watts. And your cigarette lighter output is 12 to 24 volts, 10 amp and 120 watts. So as you can see, we've got a USB and a PD socket. So let's take it out of the packaging. See how long the cable is. So yeah, 29 inches on that cable, the length of that cable. Take a look at this. So it'd be 5 USBs you have using this and 2 PD sockets. So installation is very fast, very easy, using the double-sided adhesive which you've got in your package to fix it to your center console. So in the end I did put it here, not further down, because the front seat was hitting into it when you moved it completely forward. So I needed 2 cigarette sockets for my car, the CarPlay and the dash cam. But you also have these 2 USB sockets to use for your phones, whatever you need to charge. So I also use a tyre inflator and a sat nav, but the sat nav is USB, so I can use the side port for that and still have one for my phone. You do have a blue light on this to show that it's working, it's powered on. So this adapter here is quite handy, as you have 5 ports. You have a PD charging port for fast charging, and it also displays your car's battery voltage, your car or truck. So you can use it as a diagnostic tool. It tells you if your battery is healthy and your alternator is charging your battery. So a healthy battery should read about 12.4 volts. And when your engine is started, like here, it should be around 14.4 volts. So the alternator is working fine. So a good indicator for you if you're having problems starting or your battery's not charging. So the split was £5.50 and the adapter, 5-port USB adapter, was £4.50. So around $5, $6 for each one. So you may need to get both of these or just a single adapter. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, leave us a like and I'll catch you on the next one.